Hello teacher, today we will talk about gangrenous necrosis. Please come watch and listen.
Gangrenous necrosis or gangrene. Gangrenous necrosis is a localized form of cell death and has the same cause as coagulative necrosis, but the dead tissue covers a large area, and it must be cell death from lack of blood supply to the tissue of the intestine, finger, toe, arm, and legs only. Such death of intestinal tissue can be called infection instead. However, it is not commonly called tissue death that occurs in finger, toe, arm, and legs due to blockage of the artery that supply this tissue. The word infection uses the word gangrene only. Gangrenous necrosis can be divided into three types according to appearance as follows: dry gangrene, wet gangrene, and gas gangrene.
Okay, this part of dry gangrene. Dry gangrene is the death of cell due to the artery that supply the tissue of the fingers, toes, arms, and legs becoming blocked for a long time, causing no blood to supply the tissue in those areas. This tissue appears dry and black and have boundaries that can be clearly separated from the surrounding normal tissue. In this area of the tissue, there is rarely a bacterial infection.
Wet gangrene. Wet gangrene is the death of cell due to the artery that supply the tissue of the intestine, fingers, toes, arms, and legs becoming blocked for a long time, causing no blood to supply the tissue in those areas, along with severe bacterial infection in the tissue where death occurred. As a result of this area of the tissue appears swollen, red, dark red, had a foul odor, and cannot clearly separate the area of the tissue from nearby normal tissue. As a result of this bacterial infection, patients often have a high death rate.
Gas gangrene. Gas gangrene is cell death that has the same characteristics as wet gangrene, but is limited to tissue death in the arms and legs. Bacterial infection that occur together, it is usually caused by a group of bacteria that can grow in an environment without oxygen, called anaerobic bacteria, and can produce gas, especially Clostridium perfringens. When examining the body, feel the area of tissue where death has occurred, that a light rushing sound will be heard. This is due to gas groups produced by the bacteria that mentioned above, insert into the subcutaneous tissue and between skeletal muscle fiber.
Thank you for watching. For your attention, the topic cell death, gangrenous necrosis.